Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi LIVENODING. Today I will be sharing with you this node setup that's basically recreating this 3x3, the world's smallest typeface. I found this from hardmaru Twitter. So you can see this is an alphabet. It also has the numbers from 0 to 9. And yeah, I think I really like this pixel font. And I want to recreate this in Blender. So this is what I got so far. Basically, so if I scrub through the timeline, I have A, B, C, D up to I. And if I want to create letter J, all I need to do is to look at this and then, okay, I can translate this pattern into Boolean. So it's a 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. I'm reading this text letter by letter, just as a binary or as like a 0 and 1 basically. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, and the last one, of course, 0, 0, 1. And that's a single text there, a single character. If I scrub, now I have letter J. I don't have it before. So if I want to have letter K, oh, let me switch this. The pattern will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. That's letter K. And if I scrub, I have now letter K. So I can keep going. So what actually makes this work? If you can already guess it, this is just simply as a list masking. Okay, so it's a list masking of box objects. So I have a box here, and the box is being generated if I provide the matrix data. So the matrix data can be any pattern. In this case, if you have all 1, 1, 1, 1, it's gonna create basically 3x3 square. So this is the masking that's actually doing all the job. If I create a list input and I make this 3x3, so it's 9. If I plug this into the mask, so I can basically turn this on and off to create a letter. So that's one way you can do this, and which is this guy right here. But you can also use the formula. But of course, this is only giving a single input. So if we want to have multiple, we can have list, and this is list of lists. And what I'm doing here with SVerchok add-on basically is using the object ID nodes. So I get the text data and I grab the text with a title text. Maybe I should call this 3x3. Anyhow, I grab all the lines, and then for each lines of the text, I grab the body, which is the actual string data, and this is just like a list item. Don't worry about that. But from this guy right here, which is a string data, I'm using Python module import as string literal and just evaluate that. And then the next thing I did was to just plug this to there. Yeah, and of course we have 3x3 playing. This is the data that's kind of get masking. That way we can have this letter. In the next episode, probably I can turn this into some kind of small little program that generate the text, just like using this character and create a proper text. So I think that's kind of interesting, because you can always kind of like create some kind of framework and build from there. In this case, yeah, this I found this really interesting, and it's really simple actually. It's not really complicated. So if you want to continue with this, L is 111 100 100. So this is just like a very easy. Your brain can easily store this pattern, and so you have letter L. So M is slightly weird, 101, but it's still readable. 111 111. M, update it. M, N, okay, this is maybe one more. 101 101 111. This is gonna be letter N. Update it, so that's letter N. Oh yeah, we can continue, but this is from here we can kind of, you know, if we have like a word, let's say SVerchok, and we want to turn it into, we want to use this letter, we can easily kind of translate this guy into its ASCII, and then from its ASCII we're gonna assign it into this guy. So it's possible. So with a little bit of Python maybe, but that's the idea. Basically, it's very simple. I like simplicity, and this is one example. You can really use Blender and nodes to generate this kind of design pattern. All right, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.